Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard computer science 11th class. Already finished 3 lessons. Today we are going to see the new chapter 4, Arrangement and Formatting of Text in MS Word 2016. Chapter name is Arrangement and Formatting of Text in MS Word 2016. Have you all studied 3 lessons? Children? Yes. That also you should study well. Next, these are the topics we'll cover in the chapters. Change the font or font of text. Change the font size and color of text. Change the alignment of text. Learn about some lists in Word. Learn to use format pointer tool in Word. You have learned some very basic features of MS Word in the previous chapter. Now we are going to see arrangement and formatting text in MS Word 2016. Okay, ma? Yes. What is arrangement? If you have more than one document open at a time, Word allows you to view all the documents at the same time and to arrange each document windows as you desire. Next, formatting. What's the meaning of formatting? Formatting refers to the way a document is laid out on the page, the way it looks and is visually organized, and it addresses things like font selection, font size and presentation, like bold or italics, spacing, margins, alignment, columns, indentation and list. Some other formatting for text will also be covered. It will require the use of font group, clipboard group, as well as paragraph group of home tab. Underline the word, page number 35, font group, clipboard group, paragraph group of home tab. Then the next topic, changing font properties. Changing font properties. Font is the style of text on screen. Just like handwriting is unique to pupil, font is unique to its style. There are many such fonts available in MS Word 2016. Some of the fonts available can be seen from first step, open Word. Open Word, then open any document to create a new document. Click the Home tab in the top left corner. The top left corner. All of you see the figure 4.1. Some examples of fonts for text. Click the, see the picture all of you. Click the Home tab in the top left corner. Under the fonts block, click the expanded button. Select your desired font. Click set as default is the bottom left corner. Check all documents based on the normal template. Next topic, font size. Font size. It contains various sizes for the text. Then step on, select the text. Select the text means highlight the text. Highlight the text. Select the text or cells with the text you want to change to select all text in a Word document. In a Word document. Selection keys are press Ctrl plus A. Shortcut keys for Ctrl plus A. On the Home tab, click the font size. In the font size box, You can also type in any size you want within the following screen. The font size will be applied on the highlighted text. Then type any in size you want. Then enter any font size you want. See the figure 4.3, all of you. See the figure, children. Enter any font size you want. Okay, ma? Next topic, font color. It contains various colors for the text. You can change the color of text in your Word document. Select the text that you want to change on the Home tab. This is Home tab. In the font group, that is font group, choose the arrow next to font color and then select a color. Circle the word. See, children, Home, font, then color tab. Listen, ma? Yes. Children, see the picture, all of you. This is Home tab. Then more colors option. This is font color button. A, then font color button. This is more colors option, that is list of colors. Then changed font color. First step, highlight the text you want in the color. Then choose any one color you want on the text from font color control. Remove the highlighting on the text by clicking outside of the text that is highlighted. Then the color changed. Then the color is changed. Choosing font color for text. Next topic, alignment of text. All of you take page number 37. Alignment of text. Alignment. What is alignment, ma? Alignment refers to the position of the text. Alignment refers to the position of the text. Underline the sentence. Alignment refers to the position of the text. Word provides 4 types of alignments. There are 4 types of alignments. First one, left alignment. Second one, right alignment. Third one, center alignment. Fourth one, justify alignment. Look at the picture, ma. Left alignment, justify alignment, center alignment, and then right alignment. Left alignment means text begins from the left margin. Text begins from the left margin. Right alignment means text ends at the right margin. Text ends at right margin. Then center aligned text is aligned properly along the center line in the document. Center line in the document. Then justify alignment, the text to be adjusted with more or less space if required in order to be aligned to both left and right margin. Both left and right margins. Can you understand, ma? The shortcut keys for left align, Control plus L. The shortcut keys for right align, Control plus R. The shortcut keys for center align, Control plus E. Then the justified align, Control plus J. It is an important keys, shortcut keys. Can you understand, ma? Yes. So all of you read this lesson. One time. So next class, remaining portion, we will see the next class. Thank you, children.